Hey everybody, this is Amanda Davis with Business Solutions by Design, your accounting ally, coming back to you this month of May for this week talking about 2008 trends for technology. Some of these things are here and some of these things are on my wish list, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So one of the things that you might notice in 2018 are little things called robots in your technology and in your apps. So for example, with HubDoc, 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 one of our favorite apps, they will actually take for 20 bucks a month, they will take your bank logins, your cell phone logins, whatever, you have it, you name it, give those little robots access to it, and they will go and they will pull those statements, those images. They will take your cancel checks and pull it into the system. Everything will be in one combined system that you can then give access to your bookkeeper, your CPA for tax preparation, all of that good stuff. So those little robots will go out and do that work for you so you don't have to. So that's a really cool thing. And then there's a matter of artificial intelligence. In a lot of cases, these programs, these apps, this technology are built to become smarter as you use the documents, as you use the programs, as you use all of this stuff. So for example, with QuickBooks Online, which we use every day, we go in and basically you can tell it, you can create rules. And as you're coding transactions that sync over from the bank, then you can say, hey, yes, Starbucks is meals and entertainment. And then the next time it sees Starbucks in the description from your bank, guess what? It will say, hey, last time you paid this vendor, this line item says Starbucks, you called it Starbucks as a payee and you asked it to be meals and entertainment. Hey, you want to do that again? And you're going to say, yes, thank you, QuickBooks, that's awesome. And as cool as this technology is, you've got to understand that there are limitations and sometimes things happen. So the technology is only as smart as the user using it, so keep that in mind. You can't put 100% trust in technology, but it is making leaps and bounds into automating your life, systemizing and making things more efficient. Let the technology do those things for you. Don't pay somebody to data entry. Your QuickBooks software can do it for you. Moral of the story. So the wish list. I've been working with a lot of apps, and I think a lot of people are kind of on an app overload, and I'm totally there right now, where you have this app that does this and this app that does that. Everything has a separate fee, and it's okay, sure. And apps, what they do really well, they do really well, but what they're lacking, you have to go build out in something else. And so I'm finding that I almost want to go and create my own app because it doesn't have everything that I need. So I've been creating my own little wish list, and I'm trying to kind of solidify and condense where all these apps go. And there's an app for that, actually, my firm's app, which I've been kind of exploring and looking into, but I haven't really made the jump yet, so I can't give you very much description on that. But you know, it'd be nice to have the apps become a little bit more holistic and do a little bit bigger of a job in terms of scope, in terms of your full business, in terms of the full organization's needs, instead of like one tiny specific, here's what this does. So I would just really love an app that was a little bit more robust and specific to what I need, instead of only offering one solution. For example, with a CRM system, that's great. You know, you do need to handle those client relationships and bringing on new business, but at the same time, you also need to manage existing businesses. So it'd be really great if you can combine the two. Plus, both of those things, what do they have in common? Collecting data, doing requests, being, you know, working with your relationship with your customers, being in communication and being collaborative. And there's really no one-stop solution for all three things, but they all have very similarities. And if I could have one product that would solve all of those problems for me, that would be super great. Plus, great thing would be to also have something that helps us manage our deadlines and our tasks. So if we could have something all in one, that'd be great. I'm looking forward to that solution. I'm still trying. Every time I go down a route, it doesn't seem to pan out, but we will get there. So this is Amanda Davis signing off from Business Solutions by Design. We are your accounting ally. You can see my allergies are kicking in because my one eye is watering, even though it's a beautiful day out here. But we will let you get back to your day. We'll come back to you next week to have our next technology topic. Bye.